Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to upload a PDF to Gemini in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to upload PDF file in Google Gemini, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To upload a PDF to Gemini, first of all, open the Gemini app on your mobile device or go to the Gemini website on your computer. Once you are on the main screen, make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Now, open a new chat or select an existing conversation where you want to upload your PDF file. At the bottom of the chat box, tap on the plus icon. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. From here, select the file's attachment icon. Now, browse and choose the PDF file you want to upload from your device. Once the file is uploaded, you will see it attached inside the chat box. You can then type your question or command related to the PDF file. You can ask Gemini to summarize the PDF document or find specific information from the file. After entering your prompt, tap on the Send button. Gemini will process your uploaded PDF and provide a response based on your request, such as summarizing, analyzing, or extracting important information from the document.